don't know about you, but I am looking forward to a spectacular weekend. The weather is going to be perfect. The sun's going to be shining. I think it's going to be about 80 degrees. The leaves on the trees are turning, and it is a perfect weekend for the Quilts on Barns Road Rally. This event is sponsored by Real Racine and the Arts Council. On October 10th, take a drive through the countryside and check out all of the fabulous barn quilts. Stop by Real Racine office, either out on Highway 20 and 94 or downtown Racine, and pick up a road map and one of these little cards. Then get in your car, sit back, relax, and drive through the countryside and check out all the beautiful barn quilts. Then stop by at least 4 barn quilts, get a selfie, take a selfie and your little card back to the Real Racine office by the end of Monday, and you will be entered in for some beautiful prizes. What could be better? What a great way to spend the weekend. Now we at Sew and Save, we have a barn quilt. Well, it's not really a barn quilt. It's a quilt on a pallet. But that's our barn quilt because we could have a barn. We should get a barn. We could have a barn raising out in the parking lot. It would be so awesome with a new road and a new barn. I'm gonna have to talk to Jim. I think we need a barn. But anyways, in the meantime, you can stop into by Sew and Save and get a selfie by our barn quilt and purchase a beautiful, look at it, it matches our barn, a little mini barn quilt. This is made from Michael Miller's new cocoa fabric. We have had this fabric in the store for about a week and it is already a quilter's favorite. So when you purchase a mini barn quilt kit, part of the proceeds will go to the Racine Arts Council. But you'll have a little commemorative quilt for the weekend. We'll have these on sale at the stores starting at least on Saturday. If you bring in your card and your map on Saturday, October 10th, you will receive 20% off your sale as well. So stop in, get a selfie by our barn quilt, pick up a little mini barn kit, and have a great, great Saturday. Hope to see you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.